Hey, welcome to the Spokane BBQ Company. Today we're going to be making Clams Provencal. This is an Italian dish, steamed clams. It's going to be great. Stick around, you're going to love it. So here's what's in the Clams Provencal. We're going to use about a cup of water, some granulated garlic, and it's just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon or so. We have a pinch of salt. I'm using kosher salt today. And then I've got oregano and basil. That helps that Italian flavor to come out really well. And then here's my minced garlic. Again, about a tablespoon of that. And I'm going to use some olive oil. Once we get all our ingredients in the pan, we're going to mix this up, and it's time to get cooking. And then for good measure, I'm also just going to throw in a pinch of fresh parsley right on top. Get that nice green color. We're going to fire up the charbroil and get this thing cooking. We'll be right back. Alright, we got the charbroil heated up. Now it's time to get our clams on there and get to cooking. We're going to let those clams stay on there for about 8 to 10 minutes. After that, it's good eating. Alright, those clams have been on for about 7 to 8 minutes now. We're going to check them out and see if they're good to go. You can see all the clams have opened up. Nice hot pot of clams. Let's get these plated up and start eating. Alright. Woo! That is looking good. All these clams in here have opened up. We have all that nectar down at the bottom. Let's just put a little green on top of this and call it good. That's a good clam. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Clams Provencal. Spokane BBQ Company. We hope you like it. Please subscribe to it if it's something that you like. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later.